Long division. 2-digit by 1-digit numbers. Divide 68 by 2 by long division. Before you start, remember, 68 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. First digit of dividend, 6. We will divide by divisor 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Write 3 in quotient space. Write 3 into 2. 6 below 6 of dividend. Subtract 6 minus 6 to get 0. Next digit of dividend, 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Write 4 in quotient space. Write 2 into 4, 8 below 8 of the dividend. Subtract 8 minus 8 to get 0. Division is complete. Quotient is 34, remainder is 0. Answer of division is 34. Divide 42 by 2 by long division. Write the dividend 42 as shown. Write divisor 2 on the left. When dividing, at first take only one digit of the dividend 42 to divide, starting from the left. Dividing 4 by 2, we get 2. Write 2 in the quotient space above the dividend. 2 into 2 equals 4. Write 4 below 4 of the divisor. Subtract 4 from 4 and you get 0. Now the next digit, 2 is written next as shown. 2 is divided by the divisor 2. You get 1. Write 1 in quotient space. Write 2 below the 2 of dividend. Subtract 2 minus 2 equals 0. So remainder is 0. Quotient is 21. Your answer is 21. Divide 64 by 2 by long division. Write the dividend 64 as shown. Write divisor 2 on the left. When dividing, at first take only one digit of the dividend 64 to divide, starting from the left. Dividing 6 by 2, we get 3. Write 3 in the quotient space above the dividend. 2 into 3 equals 6. Write 6 below 6 of the divisor. Subtract 6 from 6 and you get 0. Now the next digit, 4, is written next as shown. 4 is divided by the divisor 2. You get 2. Write 2 in quotient space. Write 4 below the 4 of dividend. Subtract. 4 minus 4 equals 0. So remainder is 0. Quotient is 32. Your answer is 32. Divide 66 by 2 by long division. Write the dividend 66 as shown. Write divisor 2 on the left. When dividing, at first take only one digit of the dividend 66 to divide, starting from the left. Dividing 6 by 2, we get 3. Write 3 in the quotient space above the dividend. 2 into 3 equals 6. Write 6 below 6 of the divisor. Subtract 6 from 6 and you get 0. Now the next digit, 6, is written next as shown. 6 is divided by the divisor 2. You get 3. Write 3 in quotient space. Write 6 below the 6 of dividend. Subtract 6 minus 6 equals 0. So remainder is 0. Quotient is 33. Your answer is 33.